Want to make your ChatGPT text sound more natural and human? In this easy guide, I'll show you 5 simple prompts you can use to instantly humanize any AI text. Let's get started. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT. Make this sound more casual and friendly. This removes formal or robotic tone and adds a conversational style. Step 2. Want more feeling in the message? Try this. Rewrite this with more enthusiasm and emotion. ChatGPT will sprinkle in expressive words to make it feel alive. Step 3. To fix rigid sentence structure, say, rewrite this with a mix of short and long sentences, like how a real person would talk. That keeps the rhythm smooth and natural. Step 4. To make it sound even more real, try this prompt. Rewrite this using casual language, filler words, and everyday slang. This adds those little quirks we naturally use when speaking. Step 5. Lastly, give it some character by saying, rewrite this as if you're talking to a friend or telling a story. Now your text sounds personal and relatable. And that's how you humanize ChatGPT text using just a few smart prompts. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy AI tricks. See you next time!